Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can do tasks on SproutGigs. So the first step you simply need to do is to search for SproutGigs and you need to open the first website. So once you open, you simply need to sign up for your profile. And here you need to, let me show you the page. You need to enter your real name, your email, your password, your nickname, your country, and select I am a worker, and then you simply need to select both and click on sign up. So once you've done that, let me show you the next page. And on the next page you need to create the your gigs like Fiverr, and here you can see multiple gigs. Let me open anyone. So here you can see that. Then you need to click on and place the order, and once you place the order, someone place the order, you will get an order like Fiverr. Here as you can see that here is a complete gig, and someone see here and place an order and you will get a work. So you need to create the gigs like Fiverr here, and someone place order and you will get work, and you need to complete that work in the given period of time and with the revisions, and once you complete that you can easily earn the money. So this is a process how you can do task on SproutGigs. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.